Okay, the next thing I do is I create the exit ticket and then the IP, and I'm working backwards to make sure that everything is super, super, super aligned. Now, this is the tricky part. Specifically third grade was created almost for all 10 or 11 weeks by Jessica Mott. I wrote it, but she typed it in for me. So you should be able to go into Edge Elastic and search for a number and find it. And then I like to just change the title here to being the right convention and use it. Now, that really, really, really depends. The trick is that it's actually really hard to find what she did because since she's done it, I've had to change these numbers a million times. So what she calls R19 might not be R19. What I'm going to do is I'm going to forward what I gave her so that you can look and see and kind of flip through and see what it was originally numbered. I'm sorry, it's not better than that, unfortunately. Actually, what I can do is I can forward you the old version of this, and if you can find the objective, you can see what its old number was and try to search for it that way. But basically then you want it to have this naming convention, G3 R19 exit ticket, and describe it a bit. And then every exit ticket has 4 questions. I never do more than 2 type, or I guess this has 3 types. So I try to keep it simple though. The exit ticket is meant to be the slam dunk. It's the bar below which we don't want anyone to fall. It's just the maintaining. It's not an extension or anything like that. Then of course I'm going to not assign it. I'm going to publish it if it's new, or I'm going to press this button here. And then I'm going to go, and here I have to make sure I do district and share. Then I can just copy this link, and I'm going to copy it 2 places. I'm going to copy it here so that anyone can always find it on that doc. And then I'm going to find that lesson that I made in the website, and I'm just going to paste it right in there. Press update. So every time I do a link, I just paste it twice, and it keeps it nice and easy. So for example, I searched R19 because I happen to know that Jess named this one R19, like the lesson number didn't change on this one. Here's the one she created here's the one she created for the IP. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it. I'm going to clone it so it's just like, so I save everything she originally did. Again, G3R19, IP now. I do the same thing, giving it a name, hundreds in 4-digit numbers. The name is really important so that teachers they can kind of have a gut check on whether they're on the right track. Here, there are 12 questions plus 13 is a constructed response. And basically that's like an essay type, right? And again, it mirrors just like what the X ticket is. So since it's 12 questions, since there were 3 question types, I have 4 on the first question, 4 on the next question, 4 on the next question, and then the 13th. Again, I'm going to assign and share. So if you're doing this from scratch, right, then you would do it, you would just publish it. That's really the only difference. Paste. And here now I'm pasting it where it says practice. That's lesson 19.